I looked down, my thermostat this morning was running at 138. The engine temperature was 138. Usually it's about 150. Before I passed that Mercedes, I was at 168, and now I'm down to 152, so my little 848's happy again. 149. I'm pretty sure that's why this bike has held up so well over the years, is it's never been overheated. I've never sat in traffic, and I have never ever parked this bike at a Starbucks. Other than that, the fact that you're gay, there's no reason that you should ever go to Starbucks. Oh, they're just gonna stop? Why would they just stop in the middle of the road? They had the right of way. It's crazy. I was looking forward to the 4-lane. You just heard me say it. And they got the 4-lane down to 2-lane. I should have waited till June to do this trip. I should have gone somewhere else today. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Enhanced traffic enforcement so they can take your money. It's only 35 miles from my gas stop, and it probably took us an hour. When I stop this video, when I put this video up on the YouTubes, I'm gonna do the math and see how long it took us to go from Cherokee to Pigeon Forge. But this is it. Do me a huge, ginormous favor. Hit that thumbs up button. If you and 25,000 other people would just hit that thumbs up button, I might get enough money to put half a tank of gas into this Ducati 848. So thanks for watching. Love y'all, and I appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. See ya on the other side of this tunnel. This way you guys can see a tunnel in Tennessee. Doesn't like a tunnel. All right, Camp Happy Fun Time's over. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.